Your GBP exists, but is it really working for you? If you've already claimed your Google business profile, but it's just sitting there, underperforming or invisible in local searches, this service is for you. At Ask 8, we turn your overlooked listing into a high-performing local lead generator. Our one-time optimization package is built for impact. We audit, enhance, and update every element of your profile so it ranks better, attracts more customers, and positions your business as the local go-to. Who this service helps most? Businesses with an outdated or under-optimized GBP DIY profiles that need a pro's touch. Brands rebranding or updating services. Multi-location businesses needing standardized optimization. What's included in the one-time optimization package? 100-point performance audit. We dig deep into your current listing to find missed opportunities, gaps, and local SEO weaknesses. Custom optimization guide. You get a tailored game plan based on your niche, market, and audit results. This ensures we're not just checking boxes, we're building strategy. Enhanced profile elements. We rewrite your business description, update categories, refine service and product listings, and optimize business hours, attributes, and booking links. Content refresh package. 4. Professionally written Google posts, announcements, promos, tips. 4. Smartly crafted Q&A entries. 5. Positive and negative review response templates, updated services and product descriptions. 5. Visual optimization. We upload, reorganize photos, logos, and branding media to enhance appeal and click-through rates. Dedicated GBP expert. You'll have access to your own optimization specialist who ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Why? This optimization matters. Rank higher in Google Maps and Local Pack. Stand out visually and contextually to searchers. Increase profile engagement and click-throughs. Gain more qualified calls, website visits, and directions. Present your brand as active, professional, and trustworthy. Timeline. Completed in 30 days. Days 1 to 7. Profile audit and keyword benchmarking. Days 8-15. Optimization plan creation and approval. Days 16 to 23. Execution of visual, content, SEO enhancements. Days 24 to 30. Final report, recommendations, and roll out common questions. Will this fix a suspended profile? No. For suspended listings, check out our GBP reinstatement service. This package is only for active profiles. Do I need monthly management too? One-time optimization gives you a solid foundation. For best results over time, we recommend monthly optimization to maintain momentum. How soon will I see results? Many clients report visibility increases within the first 30-60 days after implementation, depending on competition and location. Why Ask 8? Because we don't just tweak your listing. We engineer it to perform. Our local SEO team knows what Google looks for and how your future customers search. We've optimized hundreds of listings and we know how to move yours into the spotlight. Give your profile a Power-Up PS. If it's been more than 90 days since your last GBP update, Google sees you as inactive. Let's change that. All the best to your success.